Hello. Ooh, let's take that out of the way. I am Issaplease, and this is some liquid thing that's orange. So you dab it on my face. No, I dab it on my face. What the hell is that? Oh, you put like shit on my face. Wipe it. Yep. Very screw. Oh, what the f? There's like someone at the back. Ah! There's the professional. Yes, professional for the professional. Put it underneath my eyes. Oh, love at first sight from Benefit. What the hell? I just keep putting shit on my face. What the hell? Naturactor. So you put this to make yourself look more natural, because you look like an alien if you don't. There, you put it to make yourself look whiter. You know, like how white people are. Yep. Hey, what's this? It's to make you a little bit more human. Sephora Bright Test to make it brighter. So if you're not white enough, you have to put more white. So you spray some white stuff on the brush thing, and then you don't use it. Oh, you put stuff on your eyelid. Yeah, put more stuff on your eyelid, make it look shiny. You put another color to make it dark shiny. And then yeah, you're not done yet. You have to put some more. Yeah, just like that. Dab it right there. Oh yeah, you look like a woman. Into it. This is the last for the eyes. Oh, I know what this is. It's an eye liner. And now I have cat eyes. Yeah. Makeup forever. I guess to make yourself. Oh, it's for the eyebrows. Yeah. You wipe it. You brush it a little bit. You make it form like you have eyebrows, because we want to have eyebrows, you know. So like when you do the eyebrow thing The Rock does, it's seen clearly. Twist up, waterproof. So this is to make it. What the hell? That was just one side. Okay, so you don't put in your left eyebrow. You just put in the right one. And then this is for contouring your nose, because you know I have no nose, so I want to have a nose. So this is like fake nose. And then you contour your cheeks, because I guess I got big cheeks. I want to make it thinner. And then who the hell's in the back? Like there's a ghost. Some orange, some pink stuff, I guess. Oh no, it's bronze. I guess this is a bronzer or a blush on. I have no idea. Shy beam. I think it makes you shy. Yeah. It makes you shy. It's a highlighter. I know the term. Yeah, put some highlighter over here. I guess that was done. So this is lipstick-ish thing that makes our lips look like real lips. The Pore Agent Zero Shine. Okay, so if you're not shiny enough, you put more shine on your face, and then this mist thingy, and then you smile a little bit to the camera. Take out the hair on the side. Smile some more. Show your boobies. Oh no, not too much. There we go. Say goodbye and kiss goodbye.
You know your voiceover exists, right?
That's a surprise.
Yeah.
Again.
No!
My face is there.
Okay.
That's okay.
No. Take it out.
Can you go get my beauty blender? It's in the sink. You just need to wet it and then puga it, please.
Hey, you already do it again.
I
So
already
you talk
did
to your boyfriend.
it.
That's You like did. Part of
I already
it.
put the concealer. I already put the moisturizer.
Only the moisturizer pa. That's the first step. I saw your video. Liar.
Why do I need to redo it?
Because my face is there.
It's okay.
No.
I can just edit that.
Oh.
Taray.
Oh, that's my laugh.
Say bye to everyone. Tell them to like and subscribe and follow.
Bye. Like, subscribe, and follow. Done na.